want to show you how I curl my hair using the Moyoko triple barrel. I'll start off by brushing through my hair, making sure that I don't have any knots. I'll section the hair into smaller pieces. Heat protection always. I use the microkeratin magic mist and section it into even smaller pieces. I'll go in with the triple barrel, starting from the top, clamping the hair between the two parts. I'll hold it for 10 to 12 seconds before moving down. At this point, I realized that was not the best angle, so here is a better view. Starting from the top, holding it for 10 to 12 seconds before moving down. You'll notice that I always place the first barrel where the last wave was created, basically overlapping on the wave, and that is just to ensure that I get a nice continuous wave effect. And that I'll repeat with all of the remaining sections in my hair. In the end, I'll lightly brush my fingers through the waves. And voila! Beachy waves created by the Moyoko triple barrel.